So look, if you've held an open house before, you've probably ran into this. The nosy neighbor, that's wandering in there that you think is just there to basically take your free food and waste your time. Just really kind of wants to see what the house is like on the inside. Well, if you think through psychologically, that's the surface level excuse of what this person is doing here. But if you think through what it is that they're doing, why it is that they're there, why it is that they're being a nosy neighbor, they might be thinking about selling their house. Maybe not today, maybe not next month, maybe not even this year, but at some point they're thinking, I'd like to sell my house. Let's see what a house for sale looks like in this area, what I could get for it. If my house is nicer, how much more I could get for it, or if this house is nicer, how much less I could sell my house for. That's what these nosy neighbors are concerned with. They're ultimately, even if that's not what's coming up in their mind, at some level they're thinking, I maybe want to sell my house. Now look, you're not going to want to try to sell them on selling right then and there, but you definitely want to use this as an opportunity to build a relationship with them, and at the very least, these nosy neighbors usually know everything that's going on in the neighborhood, so they might be able to refer you some buyer or seller leads in the particular neighborhood that you're holding this open house by making friends and building a relationship with this nosy neighbor person, and then ultimately down the road, you can maintain that relationship and you could cash in on a seller client from them as well.